Hello, this is Reggie with A-Team Appliance on another repair. We're repairing this GE washer in the shop today. It might be kind of loud because it's raining and you can hear the raining bouncing off my shelter here. So anyway, this GE washer, so when I turned it on, it was washing and it was just, this didn't move at all. You heard everything moving, took the front panel off. Everything was moving except for this. So usually when that happens, it's the block. And let me show you what that is. These little blocks right here. So this goes in first, and the agitator, which is that, goes on top of this. And so either the agitator itself will be stripped or this will be stripped. And in this case, it's this. If you look inside, see those black lines? Those are supposed to be grooves. They're actually worn out. And this is the one I'm going to swap it out with. So you can see the teeth. So that one has teeth on it. This one does not. Huge difference, right? Let's see if we put them side by side. Yeah, there you go. See the difference? So this one is refurbishing. So we're going to change that. That'll fix it. And also I noticed all GEs, you see that right there? That is the pressure hose, and that tells the pressure switch how much water is in the tub. And almost always on GEs, this is an issue and it ends up flooding. So see that the dark on there? So I'm going to take that, I'm just going to replace this with a new one, because anytime you see that, if it's not flooding, it's going to flood. Sometimes if it's short, like if it's only a little bit in there at the tip, you can kind of just cut it. But I want to replace that whole tube. So just want to share another fix with you guys. If you have a GE washer that agitates, but nothing, you hear it making noise but nothing's moving, check your just called a drive block for the agitator. Just check that. I believe brand new, these things are probably about $15. I got a bunch of them sitting around just for parts, so and that one's pretty good. I mean, it doesn't look pretty, but it's functional. Teeth nice and thick, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the job. Any questions, feel free to feel free to message below. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe so you can get more videos. Thanks.